Welcome to your midday sports. We begin with news on cricket. The West Indies have a chance to go 2-0 up in their 5-match T20 international series against England when they play this afternoon at St. George's in Grenada. The match bowls off at 12:30 p.m. Jamaica time. The Caribbean side won Monday's first game at the Kensington Oval in Barbados by 4 wickets. The returning Andre Russell starred with both bat and ball, claiming figures of 3 for 19 and ended up on 29 not out from 14 balls to win the Man of the Match award. Technical Director for Clarendon College, Lenworth Hyde, said his team achieved their objective as they retained the Issa Olivia Shield title, blanking Manning Cup winners Mona High 4-0 at the National Stadium on Wednesday evening. The team put on another classy show to outplay the Craig Butler coached unit. Kaheem Dixon ended his schoolboy football career on a high as he opened the scoring for the Chapelton-based school in the 35th minute. 3 second-half goals then sealed the comprehensive win for Clarendon College. Christopher Hull chipped in with a brace in minutes 84 and 87, while DeAndre Gallimore got the other goal in the 69th minute.
About having a clean sheet tonight. That's why you see we defended so well. The goalkeeper came up trumps. Because from your defend good, I know my team will score. So that was the plan today.
Well, the season was a good one. We worked hard, we prepared hard, we traveled. We got exposure, we came through, we played our game, we played our way, we won our way, and in the end, we had the Olivia Shield, we lost. But you know what? Boys were tired, more power to Lenny and his team. We didn't take our chances, they took theirs, and I'm happy.
Clarendon College lost just once this season when they went down 3-2 to Glenmuir High in the Champions Cup final. And finally, Reggae Boys midfielder Demario Phillips of Mount Pleasant FC narrowly escaped serious injuries after the vehicle he was travelling in was involved in a 3-vehicle collision in Runaway Bay, St. Anne on Wednesday evening. TVJ Sports understands that Phillips, along with 2 other employees of Mount Pleasant, were travelling home from training when the vehicle they were in was struck by a truck that also hit another vehicle. It's understood that the truck did not stop. TVJ Sports understands that everyone involved escaped serious injuries, while Phillips and the 2 other men from Mount Pleasant were treated and released from the St. Anne's Bay Hospital late Wednesday night. And that's it for your midday sports report. O'Shane, it's back to you.